Welcome. In continuation with the SL4J, found one more use case, so I'm providing that as well. So let's take the previous example, whichever we worked, right? Like Supermart, library, and the wait session. These two I am using in the Supermart session. So these are the libraries different individually they are using. Calculator is using SL4J and weights library using commons library. Supermart is using log4j. Code wise it is as it is. Okay, this is calculator library using SL4j and Supermart is using log4j. I imported, right? Yeah. And this is weights library I am using commons. Now in this session we will see still we can optimize or compress this library usages. How means yeah, I'm opening my pom.xml section. See, previously we are having three dependencies, each one for each one module. Now in this case, with the help of bindings and bridges, I am using just only one underlying implementation logging mechanism. All other things are for acting as the abstractions and bridges. Okay, let me give that information as well. See, here I am using JCL over SL4J. JCL over SL4J. It will redirect JCL calls to SL4J from from SL4J to log4j. Log4j is the implemented one. So this class dependency is resolved from commons to SL4j and SL4j to log4j. And this is calculator library. This calculator library I am using SL4j, right? Now I modified from SL4j simple. Previously I am using simple here. Now I changed this one to log4j12. Why? Because this log4j12 is common for Supermart as well. That is the reason I modified this binding as well. Previously it is SL4j simple thing. Now it is changed to log4j12. So when I am using this particular binding, it will generate two transient dependencies. One is SL4j-log4j and another one is API and the underlying implementation one. So when I am using JCL over SL4j, JCL over SL4j direct dependency and another as I am using SL4j, where here SL4j, so it will generate SL4j API, but API already it is there, so only one API will be generated. Like how means when we are using JCL, right? Yeah, JCL over SL4j when we are using, it will generate JCL over SL4j jar and the SL4j API. And when we use log4j, SL4j-log4j, what it will generate? It will generate API, log4j12 and the binding jar as well. Here in this case, two APIs are coming. So instead of pulling two APIs, slf4j API, this one and slf-4j, this one. Instead of pulling two, just it is pulling only one slf4j. So with the help of one log4j implementation and with the help of bindings and bridges, now I optimized to only one implemented thing. Hope this is clear. Thank you. Sorry, I forgot to execute and show the results. Okay. Anyway, just I added two dependencies. Okay. One bridge I am using and another binding with some implementation I am using. classes analogy will be same. This is supermat and this is weights library. Let me run this one. Let me minimize. Yeah, if you see, now all we are getting in the black color, but previous session if you see the results will be different because it will pick different logging mechanisms. Okay, now this all entire project 3 modules we are going with the log4j itself. Welcome to Supermart. This is the welcome message, and these two are customer is doing shopping messages. Now shopping completed, he took some products and going for the calculator library to measure the weights. So in this weights measure, we are sending 2 parameters and calling the library calculator library. Of course here we are printing loggers, but these loggers are SL4j specific under log4j. So we printed this total bill amount as well. Once the bill amount is completed, whatever items he took, right, that items measured, weights are measured, he choose rice as the product, so item weight measured in kgs. This is weights library. Of course here comments underlying, yeah, we initially wrote the code, but with the help of JCL bridge we easily migrated to log4j. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you. I'm stopping.